Hey guys, Jax here. Well, I'm here at my filming spot and everybody's gone because it's nearly news time. It's about 20 to 6, I guess. We've actually got a little bit of blue for the sunset to show, but there's a lot of stuff going on up here. It's very pretty. We've had this awful rain for days and days and days, all day today, and I was so moody. Couldn't settle to anything, you know. Look at all this face there. I thought this was interesting up here. Shape of the faces. A bit explosivo around here. Incredibly pretty. So much going on, so many distractions, so much happening in the world, you know, all this weird stuff going on. People just, I don't know, people just don't seem the same to me. Nothing feels the same. I don't know if it's just me anymore. This doesn't look right, none of this. There's a lot of magpies around this year. There's a whole load of them up there. Anyway, I've got to make a move. I'm going to be late. It's a little rock.